Hi guys, welcome to the Jack channel. I'm super excited to have you guys here today. So it's a new month, and this new month will come with a big win. Which you can see, it's a $200 account, and it's already been growing to $22 plus, with just taking boom and crash, jump, and the VIX indices. So today I'll be explaining to you guys how you are going to make use of the strategy, and I will give you guys settings and the confirmation you need to know before taking any entries with the strategy. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and I will put in strategy. You guys will be aware. As sweet as this strategy is, so make sure that you watch this video to the end so you won't miss anything, expansion or settings about the strategy. Also guys, we do something with account management. No matter how small or big your equity is, just contact us for account management. The link is going to be in the description below, and you can also contact us at the number you are seeing at the screen, or just check the description and you will see the direct link into our WhatsApp. So you can just contact us right there for account management. We have terms and conditions for our account management, and once we send the times and then you agree with the times, then you are going to manage your account for you. So with that being said, let's quickly jump into the trade. So you can see you have a trade on 375 and the VIX. So I'll be using this three PS to explain, and you guys are going to make use of strategy. So this strategy is useful on 15-minute time frame, the 30 minutes, and the 4 hours time frame. Okay, that's the 3 time frame that this strategy is useful. And also for the zoom level, so when you zoom out completely, then zoom in is going to be once. So when you zoom in once, then you are good to go. That's the zoom level. Okay, so let's add the settings for the strategy. Let's add the top. So you can see we have the F plus at the top, and you can see we have one indicator in the envelope, which is the envelope on the main chart, and we have 3 indicator which is listed on the indicator on the one. So let's delete everything up, and then we add it from scratch. You can see I have a clean chart right here. So click on the F and then click on the plus right there. Then we are going to add the main window indicator, which is going to be the envelope. Now click on the envelope, and this is the parameters for the envelope, the properties for the envelope. Okay, now the period is 14, the shift is 0, the division is 0.100, method is simple, apply to close, and the style I'm going to using the green and the red color. So when you set everything up like this, then click on done, and you're going to have your envelope right in your chart. Now moving on to the next indicator. Now click on the F and then click on the plus right there and search for your RSI. Now when you get to your RSI, click on it, and then this is the parameters for the RSI. So sorry, the properties. Now the period is going to be 115, apply to close, and the levels, we need just 3 levels, the 10, the 90, and the 50 levels. So when you add that level up, so you can choose any color for your style, and then you set it up, then click on done, click on done again, and we are going to have our RSI as in our chart. Now moving on to the next indicator, click on the F plus, and then so remember all the indicator remaining is going to be listed in our indicator window 1. So click on the plus of the indicator window 1 and search for moving average right here. And this is the moving average, click on it, and this is the parameters for the moving average, the properties. Now the period is 11, shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to close, and this time I'm going to use the blue color, so you can choose any color of your choice. When you set it up like this, then click on done, and then you're going to have your moving average right in the chart. Okay, now moving on to the last but not the least indicator. So click on the F. Then the next thing you want to do is click on the indicator number 1 plus, and then add your awesome oscillator. So click on the awesome oscillator, and this is the properties for the awesome oscillator. Just set it as default and click on done. That is the that's all the indicators we need for this level. Now remember one thing right here. Now the awesome oscillator and the moving average, which is in our indicator window 1, they work on different types. Okay, which means that they can give us a both of them can give us one confirmation, and that confirmation is 100% accuracy. But sometimes the also oscillator might go against our trace, which means that the moving average will give us the right entries and the oscillator might go against it. That doesn't mean that this we can't take any entries. We can still take any entries, same as the moving average. We can take entries with, if the moving average give us a clear confirmation, we can take any entries, and if the oscillator give us a confirmation also, we can take any entries. And if the both give us a clear and the beautiful confirmation, that is 100% accuracy, and we can also go all in with that confirmation that they give us. So now moving on to how you guys are going to make use of the strategy. So before I jump into that, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. And I will put in strategy, you guys will be aware. Subscribe to our channel. Okay, now for the confirmation that you need to make use of for taking any entries with strategy. So I will use the 15-minute time frame. Remember, I've already told you guys the time frame that you'll be using to take entries with strategy. Now this is 15-minute time frame, and I'm starting to let's say I'm starting to go for a buy. And this is what I need to see. Now right here, the confirmation that you see right here for taking any entries, which you can see, we also take a trade right here. Which you can see right there. We have our own trades right here, which you can see. Is what is sniper in this race. You can see this is where we jump in. So we have our trades right here, but we don't go with what the envelope says. We go with what the indicator in the one says. Okay, which you can see right here. Now this is what we see before taking any entries. The first confirmation that we see is that we see the oscillator changing from red to green. It's changing from red to green right at the 10 levels of the RSI. You can see we also have the moving average going below the oscillator. You can see oscillator changing from red to green, and the moving average is going below it, same at the 10 levels. You can see it at the 10 levels of the direction. Now when we see that, we use some press action with it, and we can see that it's a clear entries. Then we jump into the position, and since then you can see we still doing a trade, with the pump order. You can see we are running into a $700 plus on each position. Now that's how you can make use of strategy. Same thing for sell. Now remember, sometimes the envelope also might give us a confirmation, which you can see right here. Now let's say we are expected to go for a sell right here. You can see now checking out the envelope. You can see when the price move below the envelope, you can see it retraces back to that envelope line. And you can see in our indicator window one also, it also gives us a clear confirmation right here, which means that the oscillator is at the 90 levels, changes direction from green to red. When it changes, you can see the moving average also at the 90 levels, crossing above the envelope. That is 100% accuracy confirmation. And you can see if you took the trade, you can see it without any drop down, it moved straight into a profit. Okay, that's how you guys are going to make use of strategy to go for a sell. Also, you can see that's another entries of strategy. So that's how you guys are going to go for a sell with that confirmation, and that's how you're also going for a buy with that confirmation. You can use same confirmation for a sell, and you can use same confirmation for a buy. Now moving on to the next trade, which is the jump 75 index. So you can see we have the jump 75 index right here. So you can see you can see this is where we took our trade. Though it's a trending market, this market is trending. We spot that on the forward time frame. So that this is where we spot the entries with some confirmation right here. You can see now when you see this is what we need to see right here. So now you can see we have this envelope line crossing above this the price, which means that the price move below it is give us that the market is in the selling market. It's a selling market, and you can see we also have the confirmation right here in our indicator window one, which you can see this is right here. The envelope, the Also, the lot is changing from green to red, and also you can see the moving average at the 90 levels. So when we see that, then we go into our 15-minute time frame to spot its sniper entries. Then we jump in straight away when we see that the price touching the envelope line. The price touching the envelope line. This is where we jump into the position. When you see the price touching the envelope line, then we jump into a position, and then we are still doing the trade. And now, how you guys are going to make use of the strategy on the 15-minute time frame? Same as you make use of it on the permanent price, that is the same way you are going to make use of it on the job index. Remember, it's 15-minute time frame. For jump index, 15-minute time frame, 30 minutes, and the H4 time frame. Okay, so now that is that on that. And then the last trade we took right here is jump 51 net. I don't want this video to be long, so moving on to the jump 51 next. Sorry, that's 51 next. So moving on to 51 next, you can see we missed the entries, but we later spot an entry with some price action, and then you can see we still running into a profit right here on the VIX 51 next. Now, as you guys are going to take a trade on the VIX 51 next. Now, checking this here right here, you can see we have this oscillator changing from red to green, and we also have sorry guys, we also have the moving average touching the 10 levels, and the oscillator touching the 10 levels, and it's changing direction with the moving average crossing above it, with the moving average crossing below it. With the moving average crossing below it. And also look into our main chart, which you can see right there. We have this price moving above the envelope. When you see price moving above the envelope, all you need to wait for before taking any entries, all you need to wait for is that make sure that you see the price going back to the envelope line before taking any entries. You have to wait for the price. When you see this confirmation in your indicator window 1, then the next confirmation you are waiting for on your main chart is that wait for the price to move above the envelope, and then you wait for the price to come back and touching the envelope line, either the green one or the red one. When it touches, then that is when you are going to go for your buy direction. Same thing for a sell. Sometimes the market might go straight into profit, and sometimes the market might straight back to the envelope. All you need to just make sure that wait for the price to come back to the envelope. That is a clean confirmation. Taking the trade with 30% accuracy is better than taking the trade with 70 or 80% accuracy. Okay, now though we miss the entries, but we later catch some move right at this area right here. As then we will doing this trade. So same thing for a sell, same thing for a buy, guys. So that is that about this strategy, guys, and I hope you guys found this video helpful, guys. Don't forget to make sure that you apply the strategy, figure out how the strategy is going to meet your own trading system, and start making use of the strategy to take trade and make money with it. So you can see it's a new month with a big win. Okay, it's a big win. $10,000 plus profit. It's not a joke money. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are new, like this video, and turn on post notification. Anytime I post new strategy, you guys will be aware. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.